Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, find the LCM of 40, 120 and 380. For this, we first need to factorize these three numbers. 40, that can be written as 4 into 10, can finally be written as 2 cube into 5 to the power 1. 120, which is 12 into 10, can be factorized as 2 cube into 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1, and 380, that can be written as 2 into 190, which is 2 into 2 into 95, can be written as 2 square into 5 to the power 1 into 19 to the power 1. The required LCM comes out to be 2 cube into 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1 into 19 to the power 1, that is 2280. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, find the LCM of 6, 10, 15, 24 and 39. Since the number of numbers are large, we use division method to find the LCM. We first write down all the numbers in increasing order. Taking the first number and writing its lowest common multiple, we get 2. 6 when divided by 2 gives 3. 10 when divided by 2 leaves 5. 15 cannot be divided by 2, so we write down 15 as it is. 24 when divided by 2 leaves 12, and since 39 cannot be divided by 2 completely, we write down 39 as it is. Taking the next lowest number 3, we get 3 when divided by 3, 1. 5 cannot be divided by 3, so we take down 5 as it is. 15 when divided by 3 leaves 5. 12 when divided by 3 leaves 4, and 39 when divided by 3 leaves 13. Taking the next lowest number 5, we get 5 when divided by 5, 1, again 1, 4 cannot be divided by 5, so 4, and 13 can also not be divided by 5, so we write down 13 as it is. The remaining numbers are 4 and 13. So, the required LCM comes out to be 2 into 3 into 5 into 4 into 13, that is 1560. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, find the least number that is exactly divisible by 6, 5 and 7. The required number is nothing but LCM of all these numbers, that is LCM of 6, 5 and 7, which comes out to be 210. So the least number that is exactly divisible by 6, 5 and 7 is 210. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, find the least number which when divided by 6, 7 and 9 leaves the remainder 1, 2 and 4 respectively. Here we observe that 6 minus 1 is equal to 7 minus 2 is equal to 9 minus 4, that's equal to 5. So, the required number will be LCM of 6, 7 and 9 minus 5, that comes out to be 126 minus 5, which is 121. So the least number which when divided by 6, 7 and 9, leaving the remainders 1, 2 and 4 respectively, is 121. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I'm Khushbu. The question is, find the least number which when divided by 15, 20 and 30 leaves the remainder 5 in each case. Here, the required number will be LCM of 15, 20 and 30 plus 5 because the LCM of 15, 20 and 30 will give the least number which exactly divides 15, 20 and 30. And if we want a remainder of 5, that least number plus 5 will give the required number. Therefore, the required number comes out to be 60 plus 5, that is 65. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I'm Khushbu. The question is, find the LCM of 25 and 35 if their HCF is 5. We know that product of two numbers is equal to LCM of the two numbers into HCF of the two numbers. Using this concept, we have the product of two numbers, that is 25 into 35 is equal to LCM into HCF, that is 5. Therefore, LCM will be 5 into 35, that is 175. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, by using the rule that LCM is equal to product of two numbers divided by HCF, find LCM of 26 and 442. We first need to find out HCF of 26 and 442. 26 can be written as 2 into 13 and 442 can be written as 2 into 13 into 17. Therefore, the HCF comes out to be 2 into 13, that is 26. Now, using the rule given in the question, we get LCM as product of the two numbers, that is 26 into 442 divided by HCF, that is 26. So, the LCM comes out to be 442. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, calculate the HCF and LCM of 0.6, 0.9, 1.5, 1.2 and 3. The HCF of 0.6, 0.9, 1.2, 1.5 and 3 can be found out by first factorizing the terms. 0.6 can be written as 0.1 into 2 into 3. 0.9 can be written as 0.1 into 3 square. 1.2 can be written as 0.1 into 2 square into 3. 1.5 can be written as 0.1 into 3 into 5. And 3 can be written as 0.1 into 3 into 2 into 5. Therefore, the HCF, that is the highest common factor, comes out to be 0.1 into 3, that is 0.3, and LCM, that is the lowest common multiple, comes out to be 0.1 into 2 square into 3 square into 5, that is 18. This is the required solution. Thank you.